Well, 31-year-old Stembiso Ngamlane and 30-year-old Jacobus Haywood are expected to appear at the Molopo Magistrate's Court in Mmabatho for bail applications for alleged business robbery and impersonating a police officer. They allegedly robbed a foreign-owned tuckshop in Seweding village near Mahikeng. Newzroom Afrika's Refiloe Seboko is now joining us for the latest on this. Refiloe, very good morning to you. Thank you so much for making time for us. So tell us, how far are we in this case?
Shocking in this case it is, Aldrin, and this will be the second court appearance of the two accused as they were arrested on the 18th of July. They were here last week and the matter was then postponed to today for bail application. What we understand about what happened in this instance is that the two entered the tuck shop where they were requesting, they introduced themselves as police officers and also requested that the police, they informed the shop owner that they were there to check if he was not selling any counterfeit cigarettes. It was at that moment that the tuck shop owner then took the two accused to the place where the cigarettes were being kept, and on their way there he was also then requested to produce his asylum seeker permit, which he indicated that it was in his room. And then the accused then took the victim's cell phone while he was trying to call his sister-in-law. At that moment, the accused, we said that he then robbed the victim of cigarettes, airtime vouchers and also cash, and it was at that moment that the sister-in-law then walked in as then the victim had called while that operation was taking place. And then the sister-in-law then said that she also actually demanded their appointment cards. We understand that during the first court appearance last week, Ngamlane, who is actually the police officer in this case, because we understand that Haywood is not a police officer, that is why they are facing a case of robbery and also impersonating police officials. He was not in court. He was at the hospital because at that time members of the community had severely assaulted him, and as a result had to be admitted in hospital, as Haywood had fled the scene at that time but later was arrested at Ngamlane village. We were also at about approximately 500 meters away. They also police were got some piece of police uniform that they have been using all this time around. So today we understand that it will be going to be a bail application. As to whether Ngamlane will be here or not, it's not clear at this moment in time. Like I indicated that during their first court appearance, he wasn't here as a result of him being admitted in hospital. Quite a shocking but also concerning incident that police officials become part of the criminal activities, which we saw that the commissioner of the police in the Northwest Province, Seboko, had indicated that unethical conduct and involvement of police officers in criminal activities will not be tolerated at all. You also understand that cases of police being involved in criminal activities, particularly those that we have seen here in the Northwest Province, or allegedly being involved in cases of criminality, also involves other cases like stock theft that we saw previously, that some police officials had been arrested but also allegedly being involved in cases of stock theft. But with this one also putting a spotlight on issues of police officers allegedly being involved in criminal activities, but also seeing that Lieutenant Kwena, who is the Commissioner of Police in the Northwest Province, indicating that those incidents will not be tolerated at all. Court proceedings, Aldrin, are expected to start at about 9 o'clock as that bail application process will be ongoing. But we'll keep you updated on how everything is unfolding this side.
Thank you so much for your time, Refiloe Seboko there.